Good morning, everyone. In the last class, we have discussed about CDS table functions, right? And in today's concept, we will discuss about something HANA Search. Okay, fine. I will create one table. Customer information. Here, I'm just taking customer number, customer name, and city. Here, I'm just maintaining some custom data element check cust underscore name number one. So just I'm creating a data element and a domain. Okay, fine. So table is created. Now I will try to enter something data in this one. Utilities, table contents, and create entries. Yeah, 1 minute. What is the date? Display maintenance allowed. That's correct. Table activated. Okay, fine. Something warnings. No issue. activated utilities, table contents, and create entries. And here I want to give something customer information. Okay, but the customer information I want to pick from the KNM table. I want to just cross check the table. Here F4 option I want, and if I click on F4 button, then I want to display the data from customer KNM table, and I want to pick something customer information. Okay, but here F4 help is not coming. So what I will do, I'm creating one more table, get customer to. Let me create it. So same fields I will copy from customer one to customer two. Okay, sorry. Here I will maintain something. The table created and activated. I'm trying to enter something data here. Utility table contains create entries. Here I'm just trying to enter something data like see, I'm just entering something CI, but it is showing something CAPLA is coming here. You can click on F4 button, or directly we can give you. So something data is coming from KNA1, but how can we get to know this is coming from KNA1 like that? See, click on F4 button. This is search help. They have created some collective search help they have created here. So customer name, I'm giving something simple. Enter. Okay, so it is coming like this, right? Same data is coming here also. Not required to click an F4 button and provide something data. Click an enter button. That is not required directly. Here I want some customer number, but I'm giving something customer description here like Cipla, I am just giving CA only, but it is coming here Cipla BP like that. Okay, based on the customer name. If I double click on the Cipla BP, automatically the customer number is picking here, right? So I will try to give something another name. Okay, I have given something SE, but it is coming like SE, San John, San Joe, something is coming here like this. Okay, so this is the city name and this is the customer name. So based on the customer name also the data is uh, picking here. Okay, this is called here something HANA Search. See what happened here. Just click on back button. I don't want to create any data here. And Kunar is a data element. And if you double click on this Kunar, we can see something further characteristics tab. And here we can see something search help here. The name is C underscore Kunar. The parameter is Kunar, right? So this is a collective search help. So the name is starting with C. So this is a collective search help C underscore Kunar. If you double click on this C underscore Kunar, it will go to search help here. Okay, and fine. And here, if you click on this include search helps, we can see one more search help is there, right? Double click on this A underscore Kunar. So, and click on this include search help here, and it is showing one more search help. Okay, search help within search help like the trade is coming. Double click on this one also. See, so this is coming like this. Some search help, different search help they are using here. Okay, this is customer general, customer by company code, customer by. I mean, I'm trying to enter something data, right? At the time, if I click on F4 button, so it is showing something tabs. So how it is showing the tabs like this? Okay, here, I mean, customer general, that is one tab here, and customer by company code, that is one more tab. So it is coming like that. And if we double click here, we can go for see M underscore DBAA something is coming here. So they are taking something customer information like that. I mean, they are picking the data from multiple sources. Okay, fine. They are creating something views. Okay, they are creating something views, and based on that view, they are creating the view. They are creating the search helps here, right? Fine, fine. Here they are giving something view. If you double click on this one, so this is database view here. Okay, so based on the database view, they are creating this search help. Okay, so while creating the search help, we can observe here something auto suggest in input fields. Okay, and multi-column full text search and accuracy value for error tolerant full text search is 0,8. It is nothing but 0.8, nothing but 80%. Okay, so what is the meaning of this one here? So if we select this one, auto suggest in input field, if we are trying to insert something data in the field, I mean, I'm trying to insert the data in the table level, right? Creating something data at the time. If I try to enter something data at the time, automatically some data is coming, some data is populating, right? So for that one, it is showing here. And multi-column full text search help and this accuracy is nothing but see, I have entered something CA, but it came here something Cipla like that it came, right? So system will go to the database and it will check is there any names, the name which is containing CA letters. Okay, so it will pick maximum the customer names which are having the CA letters in that column. Okay, so it will check up to 80%. Okay, if we take something 100%, then what will happen? We have to give the full name, otherwise it will not show. So let me do in one more table, have created one more table, right? At that time, we will see that one, how it is working. So this is the jet customer 2, and here I am using something Punar customer field. Okay, now I will come to the customer 1. Here I am using something jet CVST number 1, and here I'm not using any search help. And if we try to insert something data here, it will not ask any search help. F4 is not available, and as well as if I treat something data here, it will not show any data here. It is not populating any information, right? I will create one search help and I will add that search help to this data element. Then we will check how it is working. So here search help, and this is for jet elementary search help I am creating, and elementary search help, and this is for customer information. And here the selection method, I am not taking any database elements. I mean database views like that. I am directly picking from KNM table, and I'm not selecting this one auto suggestion input field, and this one second option. Okay, so if we select the first option, then only the second option will come here. Let me see, check here. See, second checkbox is activating. If we are not selecting this first checkbox, then second checkbox will be in deactive mode. Okay, if we select the second checkbox, then only the third one, the accuracy is coming like 0.8. By default, it is coming 0.8. We can give how much accuracy you want, that much you can give here. Okay, if we select the second checkbox, then only the accuracy is activating here. Otherwise, it will not activate. See, it is deactivating. And now, as of now, I am not activating anything here, and I am giving something Punar and importing, exporting, and save it, activate it. It's activated now. It's activated now. What I will do? I will copy this name here, and I will go to the uh, here jet customer one is there, right? This is the data element. I will double click on it and click on further characteristics tab here and click on edit button. Now provide the search help name and the parameter is Punar here. Save it and activate it. Right now, click on back button, activate it once again, and click on utilities, table contents, and create entries. How it will show? Let me see here. See, search help is coming here. Okay, F4 button is coming here. I'm trying to something CA something, but it is not coming anything here. Okay, automatically the data is not populating by entering something data. It is not populating any data. But search help is there. If we click on F4 button, and we need to select here. Okay, we need to select something like this. Okay, so otherwise we have to click on this button, then we can give something name. So like that also it is not coming. It is not picking like that also. Just it is coming. I mean the data is coming here. I mean if we click on F4 button, something steel plant. I'm copying here. steel plant name one, I mean customer name is steel plant, right? So if we try to enter the data correctly, then only it will pick, I think. See, the data is coming. If we are passing the correct information in the name, then only it is coming like this. Okay. So, but my requirement is I don't want to click on F4 button. If I click on here I'm something steel plant. Okay. So at that time only the data should populate here. Okay. So for that part, what we have to do? So select this checkbox, and here also second checkbox also, and this one I'm giving something accuracy 0,8. Okay. Now let me, I will do here something 1,0. 1,0 is nothing but 1.0. It is nothing but 100% accuracy. Okay. Let me check how it will come. Just activate it and let me try to insert the data in this table level and see I want to write something a steel plant. Okay, steel plant customer number I want to pick from KNMN table. So I am writing something like this, yes, but it is not showing no results found. And ST, here something ST space LOUIS is coming here, but my customer name is steel plant, right? So STEEL. If if I write steel, total word here steel, then only it is showing here something steel plant. Okay, so this is a 100% accuracy here, but I don't want to display like that. If I try to STE, then also I want to display that one. I mean that steel plant customer name here. So that is the accuracy. 100% accuracy means if I write total word steel or plant, then only it will display that one. That is the accuracy here. So if I reduce the accuracy to 80%, 70%, then what will happen? Let me check that one. 0,8 means 0.8, automatically 80% will come here. Okay, now what I will do, I will try to insert something data, click on back button, activate the table once again and try to insert the data. Now I am trying to enter something data still. See, I am just uh, I mean trying to, I mean I just entered STE, but STEL plant came here. Means the accuracy is, I mean 100% accuracy I'm not giving, just 80%. If it will go to the system and it will check STE is there or not in any column I mean in the name one column, any customer name is there or not. So steel plant STE is there, and here BP vendor for steels STE is here, and laser systems limited here also STE is there. So it will go uh, uh, to the database and it will check it is containing STE or not. If it is STE containing, then it will pick that one in the population. Okay, so 502 steel plant customer number. So we can save that one. Okay, fine. And now this is okay, fine. Now I want to give something data for, so this is for customer number and name one is there. For name one also I want to give that one. So what I will do, so for this name one, just double click on it and click on edit button and search help name. I am just copying and pasting the same name here. Let me check how it will come. Copying the search help name, come here, paste it here, and this is the name one, right? Now save it, activate it. It's activated. Click on back button, activate the table here. Table is activated. Click on utilities, table contents, and create entries here. and the name one. Okay, for the name one also search help is coming, but previously search help was not there for this name one. Okay, now I will try to enter something data. Cipla. Okay, just I have entered CI, but automatically it is coming Cipla BP. Okay, automatically it is picking the customer name. Okay, otherwise click on F4 button. We can see the list of the uh, entries here. Okay, now I am selecting something happy limited here. Okay, if I try to write like this, HAPP, something happy limited is coming. HA means yes for HANA something. It is showing something the customer names like this. Okay, we can double click here like this and save it. Okay, but here I'm not saving anything. Fine, fine. So I have created a table and I'm taking the two key fields, MENDT and customer number as the key fields, and I have created one search help. That search help I'm applying for two fields here, customer number and customer name. For two fields I'm applying the same search help. Okay. Fine. Now let me try to insert something data here. I'm not providing any data from table level. I mean some KN1 table. Okay, I have entered something three records here. Okay, I have entered three records. Now let me do one thing. Click on utilities button and click on database object and click on display button. So what it is showing here, it is showing something indexes. Okay, indexes. So based on the key fields, it is creating some indexes. We already know about indexes, secondary index, primary index, like that. Okay, so based on the primary index, I mean based on the key fields, it is creating something index here. Okay, fine. So just observe that one, and I want to create some. I want to create some HANA search here. Okay. So what is this HANA search? I mean, we can get the question in the certification, and we can get the questions in the interview level also. So here, I mean, three types of, searches are there. HANA searches are there. Guys, 1 minute. Okay. So sorry. Here, some searches are there, like some fuzzy search, linguistic search, and full search, like that. Some searches are there in HANA. Okay, so let me uh, uh, create some searches for this one. So the transaction code here we need to create, if you want to create any search, HANA search, then by using some native SQL we can do that one. Okay, if you want to go for native SQL means we have to open the Eclipse or HANA Studio. Okay, so there we have to go to HANA modeler perspective, and there we have the SQL editor. We can write something code in SQL, right? So otherwise we can go for here one more transaction they have provided here. ST04 is the transaction code for that one. Okay, and expand the diagnostics here, and here SQL editor. Double click on this SQL editor, and here we can write the native SQL statements here. Okay, fine. And here I want to create some HANA searches here. So for that one, we need to write the syntax like this. I mean, I want to fetch something data here. Okay, I want to fetch something data like select star from. Okay, the table name is jet customer. Okay, jet customer, and where it contains, okay, where it contains, and I want to pick the name one. Okay, name one. I mean, I'm giving some conditions here on name one. Okay, name one, and the name should start with something like, okay, so I have given something like Lakshmi in the table level. So I'm just giving something LAK, and so it is fuzzy search. Okay, now click on execute button. So it is showing something invalid column name one like that. Is it what I have given the name here? Okay, this is a name only, not name one. So it is showing something error. Fine, I will remove this one and click on execute button. See here it is showing something select statement. So this is executed, but it is not showing any result here. I mean, what is the meaning of this one? Here I am trying to search something data in the table level. Okay, so for that one I am writing the select query like this: select star from. I want to pick all the data, and the table name I am giving, and where I'm giving some conditions like, so we need to pick the name one. I mean, we need to check the field name. Okay, the table level name I have mentioned, right? So we need to consider this name. Okay, fine. Need to consider the name and LAK. Okay, in that name column, is there any letters are there LAK? We need to pick that one. Okay, and fuzzy search here. So as of now, we have discussed, right? I mean, while creating the entries in the table level, I am just giving something CA. At the time, automatically it is showing something CIPLA. Okay, and if I try to write something STE like that, automatically it is showing something steel, the customer name like that. Okay, in that way. So that is the fuzzy search. If we give something letters here, automatically system is checking. So is there any letters on that name? I mean customer name. So if the letters are available, then it is picking all the customer information, right? So that is a fuzzy search here. Okay, so if you're giving something letters, and it will go to the database, and that letters are available or not in the Name one column, it will check and it will pick all those which are containing, we have given the letters. Okay, so that is a fuzzy search help here. That is the HANA search. Okay, so in HANA search, there are some types are there. Fuzzy search is one type there. Okay, in that fuzzy search, here it is not picking any data. Okay, it's not picking any data. Let me do one thing. So click on table contents and create entries, and here I will give customer number like uh, I'm giving something customer information. Okay, so if we execute it here and click on execute button, it will be showing something data like this. Now, here what I'm doing in the fuzzy search help, I'm just trying to considering the name, right? I will go for customer now, KUNNR. Okay, KUNNR, and name I will check with LZ. Okay, now I want to, I mean, if we do like this, then what will happen? It will go to the customer, I mean, KUNNR column, okay, and it will check LG is there or not. I mean, in the customer column here, LG center and LG is there. Okay, so system will pick these two records now. Let me do execute button. Oh, is it 1 minute? And I'm giving like this. Execute it here. It is not picking anything here. If we write full thing, click on execute. Okay, fine. LGCS is coming here, fine. Now what I will do? Click on execute button. It is not picking anything here. So I will do one thing. Here I'm while creating the search help here, 80% accuracy I am taking. I will take here something 40%. Okay, so if it is containing something 40%, it should pick the data. Okay, now let me come back and come back here and activate it here. Let me come to the fuzzy search help. Okay, and here I am clicking on execute button. Now even I have given 40% also, it is not picking this one. So click on execute, click on execute and find, and here customer number. Okay, actually here I'm giving something select star from that customer one and where contains customer. So Kunar contains LG underscore ENT, then it is the fuzzy search here. Okay, so fuzzy search means it will go to this Kunar column and it will check LG underscore ENT. Something letters are there or not, like that, it will check there and it will pick all the data and it will display the data here. Okay, click on execute button and it will show something data like this. Okay, LG enterprises, LG enter, like that it is there. Okay, now and uh, here instead of this fuzzy search we have some more two more options also available in the HANA search. This is the interview question, we can get the questions on interview or in certification, like that. So fuzzy search we already know. So if we are giving something letters, then it will go to the database and it will check the letters are available in that column. If the letters are available in that column, it will pick those data. So there is the fuzzy search here. So I have given LG ENT, but it is picking like LG enterprise, like that it is picking. Okay. I mean, I have entered only one record. I mean, mm, we starting with LG ENT, like that. I mean, if the system is containing more records which is containing LG underscore ENT, like that, it will pick all the information here. But here I have entered only one record, so it is coming like this. And coming to the exact. Okay, so exact means, so exact letter we need to provide here, like Sathish, the one like that. Okay, so it will go to the database table and it will check. So something Sathish, the one is there or not, or Sathish is there or not. Okay, it is the letter here. This is a word here. So it will go to the column name and it will check the name Satish is there or not, like that. Total name. If you provide like this SATHI, then it will not consider that one. Okay. If you provide like this also, it will not consider, because this is not the correct word here. So we need to provide exact word here. So if you provide this exact word, then only it will go to the database and it will check the data is available or not. So then only it will pick the data. Exact word it will check. Okay, this is the exact search. And coming to the linguistic search, so for example, it will check some grammar also, like something I'm giving something name as do. Okay, so but it will go to the table and it will check is there any do or doing or done or did. So related to this meaning, okay, do. So do, doing, done, did, like that it will check. So if any record is available like this, doing or done or did, like that, then also it will consider and it will pick those records. So this is a linguistic search here, but in real time I did not work on this one, so I'm not able to explain more on this concept. I mean searching. I mean HANA search, like that. Okay, but sure, if I get any real-time experience on it, then I will come back on this concept and I will let you know. Okay, and so like this, we can do this one searching, and here in the table level, we can see something indexes, right? So index means the performance will be very high. See, some indexes is coming here, something MANDT, Kuna, this is the key field. So that is why automatically system is considering like these are the indexes. Okay, but what about the another fields like name one and ORT01 like that? Also some fields are there, but for those fields, if you want to create an index, okay, for HANA search only, not in the table level. Okay, so in that case, we can create the uh, indexes. We can create the indexes here, like so. I'm just creating something index here. So create and full text. So this is the standard one only here. Full text and index. Okay, index a to something name I am taking here. Index name. Just I'm giving something name. Index name like a2 and on top of which table? On top of just underscore one. This is the table name. And in this table, for which column we are taking the index here. Okay, so this is the way to write the, to create the index for HANA search. Okay, so click on execute button. So statement, it is executed successfully. Now I will come back to the table level and click on utilities and go to the database object and click on display button here. We can see something, one more index here. Index A2 is coming. For that one name is coming externally. Previously, only one index was coming. That is unique index Z customer underscore one. This was coming in this one. MA and DT Kunar fields were there. But now one more index is creating on top of name. Okay, the field name is name here. So fetching the data from index is faster than fetching the data from normal table fields, right? So that's why we can create the indexes like that in the for a HANA search. Okay, so previously I have written one statement here to fetch something data, right? Select star from Z customer one, okay, and where contains name and what it contains. So, so like this, we have written the code, right? Actually, it will go to the database table and it will check Satish word is there or not like that. It will check and it will pick the data. And here fuzzy is there, right? So instead of this fuzzy, we can write something. This one also. Okay, instead of fuzzy, we can write exact or linguistic also. So it will depend on our search, what type of data we have to search here. Okay, exact means it will go to the database and it will check exact word is there or not like that. And linguistic means it will check the some grammar related words also. Okay, if we give something do, it will check for do, doing, done, did like that. If it will check those words also. Okay, if those words are available in the column, it will pick the data also. So that is the linguistic. In place of fuzzy, we can add something exact or linguistic like that. So here I'm not taking proper data, so I'm not providing anything here, just I'm providing something fuzzy, that's it. Okay, I will come back on this concept once again if I get some real-time experience on this. I mean HANA search. Okay, then if you have any doubt, then please ping me, or you can send me a mail. Then bye, Jai Hind.